already made $20,000 with this side hustle, so I'm gonna put you guys on to some free game. And all you need to start this side hustle is your iPhone. All you have to do is talk about the product, say what you like and what you don't like about the product, and give a recommendation. All sounds really simple, right? Well, it actually is, because it's the easiest side hustle I've literally ever seen in my life, and I'm gonna break down in 6 easy steps how you can get started with this and start scaling it to thousands per month. That being said, let's get into the video so you can see the exact breakdown. And as always, if you got value, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Well, let's get into it. This side hustle is called the Amazon Influencer Program. It is a very unique way that I've been able to generate 2 to 4K a month for a super small amount of work. I am literally working like 2 hours a week on this side hustle, and it's making me pretty much a salary at this point. Paying my rent, paying my bills. It's amazing. And it's essentially, you get 1 to 5% commission for all the sales you generate from a 30 to 45 second video review. And you do not need to be a massive influencer, because there are ways to get around it without having a lot of followers. And also, every video you watch or you record goes on the Amazon product page. So it goes on this page, so any customer can come and click on the video and then buy the product, and then earning you commission, money in your pocket, just for a simple 30 to 45 second video review. So these are the 6 easy steps that you need to follow in order to start making thousands per month. So step number 1, you guys sign up for the program with this link below, and I'll link this free guide in the description so you can go ahead and check this out. And you do not need to have an LLC. You could just go with your social security. You need to have a business or creator account, and that's simply just making yourself like an entrepreneur page. Like, this is an example of my page that got me into the program. Obviously, you might not have been you might not be on social media for like 2 years the way I've been doing it, but you can basically start up a new page. Maybe if you're selling on Amazon, like a lot of my subscribers, you can set up a reseller page and start posting stuff about your journey, and then that will get you into the program. So basically, you just want to make sure you have a business or creator account. You can convert an old one in your settings. You can go to the settings in Instagram and change it to a business or creator account, and then you apply with that. So all you got to do is go to the sign up link. Very simple process. Click that sign up button right here if it loads. There we go. So hit that sign up button and then put all your info in, and they'll tell you right away if you're accepted or rejected. Step 2 is if you get denied. There's an easy way around the denial, so you can buy followers and engagement to help you get into the program. And there's an example of successful pages that have worked are making reseller pages where you post about your journey. It could be like videos of Amazon FBA shipments, stuff like that, or just anything about your life. I've seen people get accepted with just lifestyle pages. So those work as well. You can pretty much get creative as you want with this and have fun with it, but you have to basically have the required amount of views and likes in order to get into the program. There's a site called Buzzoid that I recommend checking out. They'll give you the required and followers and engagement for less than $100. So if you click this right here, you go to Buzzoid, you can buy followers, likes, and engagement and Instagram views. Let's say you buy like 5,000 followers, maybe 10,000 views, spread it across different posts, buy some likes, spread it across different posts. That will get you into the program. So you're definitely going to want to check out Buzzoid as well. And step number 3 is going to be to start reviewing products in your home. So take photos of the product with the Amazon app. So if you go on the Amazon buyer app, I could show you that in a second. You go on the Amazon buyer app. You might be able to see it in this little camera here. So if you see on this Amazon buyer app, there is 3 dots on the top right. There's 3 dots. And you click not the 3 dots, sorry, it's like a square. You click that square on the top right, and then you can take a photo of the product with that. So that's how you can basically find out if any product is on Amazon. And also, they don't have to be sold you don't have to buy them on Amazon. They just have to be sold on Amazon. So you don't have to purchase them from Amazon. And the types of products that do really well are the faster seller and more high ticket items. Those really earn me the most commission, and I know that from experience. They earn people the most commission. So this is super important. There is basically 2 different approvals. So the first approval is getting into the actual program itself. And the second approval is on-site commission. So you have to upload 3 videos, and only 3 videos in the Amazon Influencer Portal, because Amazon needs to review your videos before you're approved. And the on-site commission essentially is
that you qualify to be placed on the Amazon product page, like these videos right here. Your video will either go here or will go down here on the bottom. So it will basically go wherever, it'll go either in one of those two spots, and that's how you essentially earn commission. So if someone clicks on this video and they watch it, and I think you have to watch a certain part of the video. I'm not sure if you just click on it, but you have to watch the video. And then if they buy that product, if someone buys this Devonshire toilet here, then I would get, well, she would get, but I see my video right here. So I would, if somebody watched this and they bought the product, then I would earn, let's say, I think it's like a 2 to 3% category. So I'd earn 3% of this $544 toilet here. So that's insane. I would get huge check from that. So that's basically how that works. And the next step you're going to want to do is create a list of these products to record reviews of an Excel sheet. This will make it easier to keep track of products. And step number 5 is to commit to recording 5 products a day. So that's super easy. I think anyone can do that. Anyone can commit 5 or 10 minutes of recording and uploading reviews a day. It's pretty easy to fit even into a busy schedule. And also, if you have kids, you could record the video and then do a voiceover later when they go to sleep. You're allowed to do voiceovers over the video. You can use an app called CapCut for that if you wanted to. These videos should be around 60 seconds max. I would say 45 to 60 seconds, giving an unbiased pros and cons of the product. All you do is describe the product, give unbiased pros and cons, and then you give a recommendation. And that's pretty much it. That's how the videos go. And then once you've recorded everything in your home, you need to continue to scale. So you can go to friends and family's houses, find price on Facebook Marketplace, Airbnbs. There's so many different ways that you can get access to more products. And companies will also offer you free products as well once you start to post a lot of videos. So basically free products will come. And that's another way you can kind of boost the margin of the business and continue to get more profits from these products. You could sell them on eBay if you wanted to. So yeah, and that's pretty much the free guide. And I'll save the end part for the end. So still a couple things. So this is my storefront here, and this is what it basically looks like. I'm just recording these videos here, and if somebody watches this on the product page, I'm earning commissions. I don't really get much commissions from this page itself because everyone's really going to finding my videos on Amazon. And there's 2 different carousels. So these are examples of like 3 really good products. So this is like a supplement that probably will do really well because I'm the only video on the supplement. And then the Keurig will probably do well as well. So like appliances and household stuff tend to do really well. So there's 2 carousels. There's the upper carousel, which is this. You can see this is the upper carousel. My video is there as well. So my video goes right there. And there's also another video down below, or carousel down below. So this is the lower carousel. Well, customers can scroll through and click on the video, and essentially if they watch it through, I earn commission. So that's basically how it goes. And I earn commission for anything else in their cart as well. If they buy a related product, like if they buy a toilet seat cover or something like that, I'm earning commission for that as well. Or if they buy one of these other ones, I'm still earning commission. If they buy a different color, it doesn't really matter. So that's how crazy this program is. And you can see this one only has a lower carousel. I'm not actually in the carousel right now. This product is actually a newer product, and it only has 1 video on it. I'm the only video on this product, as you can see right here. So that's really, really cool. And that's basically how this works. So super, super simple. All I got to do is post it and then have somebody watch your video. And this is what the commission statement looks like. I'm not really going to run through it too much, but 1 to 5% commission, essentially. There's a 0.5 category here. Video games are 0.5. But all these categories earn you really good rate commission. I find the sweet spot to be in this, like right here. These like 2.5 to 4% categories are where most of my products are. That's really how it goes. And that's, you're earning a percentage. So if it's a $100 product, 4% category, you're getting $4 on a product. So that's how it works. Super simple. It's a really crazy way to earn an extra 2 to 4, 5, 6K a month. There's people making 20K a month with this program. So the sky is really the limit. It's a volume game though. You can see I have a lot of videos. I have 1,300 videos. So you want to just upload as many as you can. Start at your home. You should find 100 there, your friends and family's homes, and then you'll have more and more and more products, and you'll be able to scale this program to paying your rent, paying your bills. It really is real. It is actually insane how it works, but it makes me a ton of money, and it will make you a ton of money too if you run the script. But if you want to learn more about this program and how to go into more depth on ways to scale this program, ways to guarantee that you get into the program, because my course, Amazon Influencer Accelerated, will break all of this down. But you can actually get into the program by just watching this video. Course is totally optional, but I do think the course will help you guys really be able to scale it to thousands per month and give you different creative ways to grow the program, and also get involved in user-generated content, which is basically just having brands pay you for posting selfies, and or not even posting. You don't have to post, just to send them a selfie or send them a product review, and they'll pay you. So that's a lot of these things these brands are doing, and I make probably like $500 a month just from the money that brands are paying me to do reviews and upload selfies for them and stuff like that. So it's really, really insane. The sky is the limit. But this course here will help you scale it and take it to new heights. As you can see, a lot of people love it so far. There's a bunch of different things breaking down how to get into the program and how to scale it. If you want to learn more about that, click the link to either the free guide or the course. If you want to go really crazy with this, definitely would recommend grabbing the course. And I know that anyone who does that is going to scale this to the moon. So hope you guys got some value from this video, and I hope you guys learn more about the Amazon Influencer Program, get started in it, and grow it to new levels. So hope you guys got some value from this video. As always, if you did, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.